Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the Lydsto P1 Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. And you might see it behind me going back and forth. It's cleaning my pool right now, but don't worry, I'm going to be cutting in with a lot of footage of this thing, underwater footage and from above water footage, so you can see it in action and see how it works as I'm talking about all the cool features that it has and the reason why I love it so much. So this is a corded robotic vacuum cleaner. It comes with a hub, and you plug that hub in. There are controls on the hub, and then you have a 60-foot cable that connects to the robot cleaner itself so that it can cover pools up to 60 feet. No matter the size of your pool, it's going to be able to cover it and get it clean. My pool is a very oddly shaped pool, so I always say if a robot cleaner can clean my pool, it can clean any pool, and it does a great job cleaning my pool. So that tells you it is an excellent robotic cleaner. Now, what makes it so good? This thing cleans the floors and the walls all the way up to the water line. That's right, it's not just a floor cleaner. It will clean the floors and pick up all the stuff off the floors, but it also is going to clean the walls all the way up to the water line. And what makes it unique, what makes it so great, is that it doesn't just vacuum. It's not just picking up debris. While it will pick up leaves and bugs and sand and little rocks and things like that, it also cleans. When I say clean, I mean scrubs. That's right, it has three scrubbing rollers on it. It has two rubber cleaners, one on the front, one on the back. Those are spinning constantly to really get in, dig in, and clean your pool. But then it also has, and this is the first robotic cleaner I've seen that has this, it has a bristle brush in the center. So that bristle brush gets in and gets all those little crevices in your pool, especially if you have a PebbleTech pool or something like that. The brushes on this will make sure that it gets in and really cleans your pool. So it's not just vacuuming your pool. It's not just picking up debris from your pool. It's also scrubbing your pool floors and your pool walls while it's cleaning, which is great. Now, it does have two slots for the vacuuming part, as a slot on either side, and one more towards one side, one more towards the other, so that as it's going across the bottom and it's pulling just tons and tons of water, it's very powerful and it's pulling that water up through it, it is picking up all the debris off your floor. It's going to get all the bugs and the leaves and the dirt and grime and all that stuff and trap it in two really large bins. These are very large, nice sized bins, and it has two of them, one for each side, so it's able to collect and hold a lot of stuff. And one thing that I love about this vacuum cleaner is that it has precise cleaning. So it uses an IMU sensor and ultrasonic technology so that it really sort of maps out your pool, and it doesn't just go randomly. A lot of the pool cleaners I've used in the past, they just sort of randomly go around your pool, and you kind of have to let it run for like 2 or 3 hours in order to get all the spots. Not this one. This one has a very precise method. If it's cleaning the walls, it goes up the wall, down, over, up the wall, down, over, up the wall, all the way around your pool. If it's cleaning the floors, same things. It goes back and forth, turns back and forth, back and forth. It uses its ultrasonic technology to really kind of know where the walls are and to go into a pattern that makes sense so that it covers all the areas of your pool. And I just love that. It does not, one thing it doesn't do, it doesn't clean steps really, or a Baja shelf. I haven't really found a robot cleaner that does clean those things. So it won't clean your steps. Those you just kind of brush the stuff off the steps onto the floor, and then it'll get it from there. It does come with a remote control that you can use to control it, as well as you can connect it to Wi-Fi, and there's an app. And so you can just go in the app, and from anywhere in the world, you could be at the office, and you can go in the app and say, I want to make sure the pool's clean when I get home. I'm going to go ahead and start the cleaner. If it's in the pool, you can start it, and you can tell it if you want it to clean just the walls, just the floors, or the floors and the walls, and how long do you want it to clean it, which is great. Besides that, using that remote control or the app, you actually can control the vacuum itself. So if you want a spot clean, there's just a little spot where there's some debris there, you can control it, make it go straight to that spot. And unlike other robot vacuum cleaners I've used in the past, this thing turns on a dime. When I say you can control it, I mean you can precise control it, like the remote control car. You tell it to go right, it turns right. You tell it to go left, it goes left. You tell it to go forward, forward, backwards, backwards. It's not kind of, sort of. It is exact. You have exact control, so really easy just to guide it over to a specific spot if you need to do some spot cleaning, which is also really, really cool. The app is great as far as controlling it from wherever you are or setting it up to run for a couple of hours. Just really, really, really cool. And when it's done, you just pull it out. It has this nice handle on it. You just grab the handle, you pull it out, sit it on this side, open it up, take those two bins out, and there are two large bins that are probably, if you have like after a rainstorm like I've had recently, you have lots of stuff in those bins, but it's easy. You just take it over to the water hose, you rinse those out, clean those out, get all the gunk out, then you put them back in, close it, throw it back in the pool, and you're ready to go again. So really easy to clean the bins out so that it's ready to go pick up, clean, and pick up debris the next time. This is just an excellent, excellent pool cleaner. If you're looking for a robotic pool cleaner, you want to get something that's precise, you want to get something that is smart in the way it cleans, something that doesn't just vacuum, but also really brushes your pool surface to get it clean, then this robotic pool cleaner, the P1 from Lydsto, is definitely a robot cleaner that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those videos are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite my playlist, so you can keep up with future product reviews. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.